GPT 4.5 is out. It's the biggest and wild model from OpenAI. If you ask it, it can even start being rude. It's specially made for creative stuff. It's 3 times better at handling facts than GPT-4 and can write like a friend, not a robot. Anthropic also dropped an update this week, Sonnet 3.7. It's a reasoning model with super fast responses and more advanced thinking. They also launched Claude Code in beta, an AI coding agent that can read, edit, test, and fix code, and even upload it to GitHub on its own. What if OpenAI and Anthropic models talked in real life? They would be like 2 voice agents switching to their own secret language to share data faster. Perplexity announced their own browser, Comet. They claim it will be an ultra-smart browser powered by AI agents, but for now you can only join the waitlist. Alexa is finally getting smarter. AI agents will now remember more about you, keep track on your favorite movies and bad habits. ElevenLabs released Scribe, the world's most accurate speech recognition. It's already beaten Gemini and OpenAI's Whisper, supports 99 languages, and the real-time version with live captions is coming soon. Luma AI can now automatically match sound to videos. Alibaba's open-source video model, One, can generate stunning videos on par with the Google Veo 2. The code is on GitHub and you can try it on Hugging Face. Pika Labs' new feature, Pika Frames. Upload 2 images, a start and an end frame, and it creates a smooth transition between them. Looks really impressive. Remember OpenAI Deep Research PhD agent? It's now available for all Plus users, but with a big catch, you only get 10 requests per month.